Alright, well, we're finally getting around to doing the sound dampening on our 2019 Thor Challenger motorhome. I've got the doghouse pulled out, and as you can see, the sound dampening they put is just a crappy piece of foil. Doesn't do much. So we've gone with the Kill Mat 80mm car sound deadening mat. And it comes in a box, 36 square feet. Comes in separate pieces. You cut it apart to fit the doghouse. It's supposed to be a pretty simple project. We'll get to it here, and it doesn't take many tools. Got a screwdriver to take the doghouse out, some scissors to cut the mat, a roller, some tape, and some towels just to wipe things down. Should be a pretty simple project. We'll take some photos along through the journey, and we'll get this online. Have a great day.